Today we start surface areas and volumes. So today we will start about cube and cuboid. This is a shape of cuboid. If length, breadth, height are equal, it is cube. It is cube. We know that how many rectangles are there in this cube? 6 rectangles are there in this cube. How many edges? 12 edges. How many vertex? 8. So what is the total surface area of this cube? Total surface area of cuboid. So how many length breadth? एक फ्लोर है, एक सीलिंग है, तो how many length breadth? 2 length breadth. How many this? Suppose this is length, this is height, and this is breadth. So how many side breadth and height? How many? 2. And how many height and face of height and length is also 2. So if I take 2 common, it becomes LB plus BH plus HN square unit. If top is open, TSA of cuboid open lid. अगर टॉप ओपन है तो इसमें से एक लेंथ ब्रेथ कम हो जाएगा, तो इट बिकम्स लेंथ ब्रेथ प्लस 2BH. साइड वॉल्स ऐसी रहेंगी. सो यू टेक H कॉमन and 2 common, so 2L plus B into H. Then what is this? This is called area of 4 walls. Area of 4 walls. That is lateral surface area. It is also called, or you can say that, lateral surface area. So lateral surface area, LSA of cuboid is equal to 2L plus B into H. It is also called perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle into height. Perimeter of rectangle into height. This is for cuboid. If I take cube, then what is the total surface area of cube? Now for cube, TSA of cube. If all sides are equal, it becomes 6 into L square or 6 into side square. Unit is square unit. Now, what is the lateral surface area या curved surface area? CSA or LSA of cube. 4 into side square, that is square unit. 4 into side square is square unit. In this also, if it is open lid is open, then it becomes 5 into side square. Open lid, TSA, open lid, it is 5L square unit. Now we will start exercise 13.1 of your exercise book. So question 1, see question first. See question first. Now, a plastic box 1.5 meter long, one plastic box is given to you. It is shape of cuboid. This is plastic box whose length is 1.5 meter long, breadth is 1.25 meter, and height, deep height is 65 centimeter, or you can say that 0.65 meter. It is open at the top. It is open at the top. This is open. Given open at top. Ignoring the thickness of plastic. We ignore the thickness of plastic. She determine the area of sheet for making the box. Find area of sheet making box. Second, you have to find cost at rupees, cost at 1 meter square is rupees 20. Now see here, unit should be same, open at the top. So how many area of sheet, कितना area लगेगा? TSA of open lid लगेगा प्लास्टिक बॉक्स का, प्लास्टिक बॉक्स. So I will calculate TSA of plastic box open lid. So what is the formula? Area of four walls plus length into breadth. Now putting the values, what is length? 1.5. What is breadth? 1.25. What is height? 0.65. What is length? 1.5. And what is breadth? It is, what is breadth? Breadth is 1.25. Now you add it, you will get 2 into 1.75 into 0.65 plus 1.5 into 1.25, that is square meter. Now if you add it, you will get, if you multiply this, you will get 3.75. If you multiply this, you will get 1.875. If you add it, you will get, this is meter square. If you add it, you will get 4. You will get, add 5 as a 10, 7 15, 15 or 1, 13 4 and 5, 1 2 5, 5.40 meter square. Now cost of second part, this is first part. Now cost of making plastic box. What is the cost of this? It is 1 meter cost is 20 rupees. So it is 20 into 5.450 rupees. So if you multiplied it with 2, you will get 10, or 2 4 8, 9 and 10, and you will take point here. It is 109 rupees. It is point 109 rupees.